10 interesting and lesser known facts about oranges.
If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the content.
Number 1. Oranges are actually a hybrid fruit, believed to be a cross between a pomelo and a mandarin. Number 2. The color of an orange's skin does not indicate its ripeness or sweetness. It is simply related to the climate in which it was grown. Number 3. The word orange is derived from the Sanskrit word naranga, which means fragrant. Number 4. Oranges are not just a good source of vitamin C, but also contain other important nutrients such as fiber, potassium, and folate. Number 5. Brazil is the world's leading producer of oranges, followed by the United States and Mexico. Number 6. The juice from a single orange can provide enough vitamin C for an entire day. Number 7. Oranges were originally considered a luxury item and were only available to the wealthy in Europe. Number 8. Oranges were first introduced to Florida by Spanish explorers in the 1500s. Number 9. The bitter white pith of an orange actually contains more fiber and antioxidants than the fruit itself. Number 10. Oranges were historically used as a natural remedy for scurvy, a disease caused by vitamin C deficiency, which was common among sailors in the past. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Shorts Shan Vlogs.